Hi everybody, welcome to this evening's edition of E! Prime. I am Daedran. Video vixen accuses Quella of abuse. On Wednesday, social media fans in an uproar after popular video vixen star took to Instagram accusing dancehall artist Quella of physically abusing her. It's understood that several females are booked to appear in a video with a DJ where it is alleged that things took an unfortunate turn. According to a post made on her Instagram account, star is suffering from brain damage and a broken bone from the alleged incident. Following the incident, Jamal, who invited Quella on stage for his set at Reggae Sumfest, took to Instagram saying, "Stop violence against women." Quella has since deactivated his social media accounts following the allegations made against him. CeCe Winans' More Than This concert prioritizes accessibility for the elderly and disabled. With the Jamaican leg of the More Than This tour set for Emancipation Day, the Come Alive Collective is working to create an accessible space for members of the disabled and elderly community. The Come Alive Collective are the host organizers for the Jamaican leg of the tour. Speaking with E! Prime, chairman of Come Alive, Eric Hosin, said it's important to foster a truly inclusive environment.
Well, I want to create some balance in the society. Very often they are not, allowed or able to access certain things and not able to achieve certain things because of their disability. But really, we want to make sure that there is a balance, that they get also access in terms of seating, seeing, just experience it. We're also, even in the general area, we are planning to have a special area for the elderly.
He also outlined the facilities being put in place to ensure a seamless experience for vulnerable communities.
Well, first of all, we're going to make sure we provide proper movement for them in terms of wheelchair or so, and that there will be people on board in terms of hosts that will help to move them, and also even in terms of the elderly, we're going to have some stands at the back, some special stands exclusively for the elderly.
Now, with the large crowd anticipated, Senior Superintendent of Police Stephanie Lindsay, head of the Constabulary Communications Network, says temporary road closures will be in effect on August 1 to facilitate smooth traffic flow.
The following roads will be temporarily closed on Friday, August 1st, between 12 p.m. and 11 p.m. East Kings House Road at the intersections with East Kings House Avenue, Sandhurst Crescent, Sandhurst Avenue, Marley Road, and Nunthorpe Drive. Also Hope Road onto East Kings House Road. So there will also be a shuttle arrangement with the working with the organizers. So we know that there are some off-sites, but the Jamaica Constabulary Force, we're working very closely with the promoters of these events. We understand that it will be a large event, and crowd control and traffic management, among other things, we will be paying close attention to it.
She is also reminding patrons that weapons are strictly prohibited.
Firearms, explosives, knives, scissors, igloos, and in other such items, we want to emphasize that those large glues that people usually carry, along with those umbrellas, they will not be allowed in the venue.
Joining the Holy Forever singer are local gospel artists Chevelle Franklin, Kevin Downswell, Prince Saj, and John Mark Wigan. Net proceeds will support local charities including the Governor General's Program for Excellence, Bustamante Hospital for Children's Ophthalmology Unit, Yadel Home, Open Door Foundation, and others. That's it for E! Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.